Good morning, Legion. It's still 2025, but just barely. Today we have the scheduled holiday stream at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We hope to see you there for the Legion predictions on what 2026 will look like. Turning to our AI stories for the day, our first story was a holiday read that I cannot recommend enough. X articles have really come a long way in their sophistication and depth. This one, delving into economic history, the author draws parallels between the current age of AI and the era of industrialization. He correctly notes that general-purpose technologies like the steam engine provided modest productivity gains until they swapped out the water wheel for the steam engine. In a similar parallel, he sees AI agents coming online at scale as today's equivalent of truly harnessing the power of this new technology. He sees AI itself as steel for organizations looking to build their digital and economic empires. It's a fantastic and enlightening long-form read I would recommend to everyone. Our second story of the day is about expectations for 2026. Now, a reminder, we'll be doing a separate video going over everyone's 2026 expectations, particularly from AI and crypto perspective. For now, let's look at what the co-founder of Anthropic has to say about how 2026 will be a pretty big year for the acceleration of AI. In the words of Jack Clark, by summer of 2026, the AI economy may move so fast that people using frontier systems feel like they live in a parallel world to everyone else. Most of the real activity will happen invisibly in digital AI to AI spaces, with only surface signs showing up in everyday life: data centers, compute power constraints, and the startup ecosystem. And last but not least, to close out our stories today, if you are not aware of the official U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projections, this is straight from the New York Times editorial section. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects nearly 2 million open healthcare jobs each year for the next decade. That, as the article details, will likely never be filled because those jobs will be displaced by AI. That's all for today. See you in a couple hours for the live stream.